In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right HFM online trading app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, I'll first remove the app and begin the process. Now, to install your HFM online trading app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'll open my app, and then using the search bar here, just search for HFM like that. And if you run search, you can see we have our app here. So tap on it and you'll be taken to HFM online trading app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from HFM Markets Fintech Services Limited. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 3.9 with over 9,000 reviews, and this has over 1 million downloads. The average file size is around 21 MBs. Now, if you see this data and this is the current logo, then you will know that this is the right app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of HFM online trading app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you can see our app is here. Open it to launch and sign in or create an account to start using HFM Markets or HFM online trading app. So that's how you can install the right HFM app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.